proof of the existence of God, the first answer. We must first accept the theory that if God does not exist, then everything came into being spontaneously. We now show you the invalidity of this theory and the proof of the existence of God by giving an example. Suppose you have an ink bottle and paper, and now your ink spills on its own. So what do you see now? Yes, you see pages with splashes of ink on it and are irregular. Now, if you write on paper with ink and quill, what do you see now? Yes, you will see a regular, beautiful and flawless page. So when we look at the world and nature around us, we do not see any flaws or disorder, and all this indicates the existence of a Creator, who is God.